A logistic train, also called Mizusumashi or milk run, is a tool used to supply informations, packaging and parts while taking away finished goods. It is analogous to a train moving on tracks, where materials and informations move from one process to another without interruptions or delays. The purpose is to allocate mura and then reduces it. It enables efficient flow of materials and informations, aligning with the principles of just-in-time production. But how does it work? The logistic train operates based on a pull system. Once the materials are ready, they are delivered through this tool. It is done, typically using designated routes, on a pre-established schedule and frequency. The delivery is timed to align with the downstream process's needs, ensuring materials are available just in time. In summary, it improves waste reduction, diminishing unnecessary inventory buffers, ensure flow of informations and material. It enables flexibility and customization in production.